Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Armory. Today we'll be looking at the EZshoot 1600 Lumen Rifle Laser Light Combo. Alright, the laser light combo is going to come shipped in this gray box. EZshoot tactical flashlight. Let's take a look inside. Alright, the first package in here with some tools and also the charging cable. Also have the tactical flashlight manual. Shows you how to operate the light and the laser. We'll go over that. And of course everything that's included, specifications, charging, mounting. I'll show a mounting demo as well. Nothing else. Some foam. Oh, turned on already. And there it is. The EZshoot tactical flashlight. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the EZshoot tactical flashlight here. So one of the unique things you'll notice here, it has the dual combo here. So it has the laser, which is a green laser that's activated by this button here. It looks kind of like a sun or star. And you can see that's super bright. Love the green lasers, which emits from this left side. And then you have the flashlight side, which activated by this button here, and has nice texturing. So feels really nice on your thumb. And you can see super bright LED light. It is 1600 lumens. And it's also made out of 6061 aircraft grade aluminum. So it's really robust. It's not going to break on you. And it's also rated at IPX6 waterproof. Looking at the side here, you can see that there is a charging port that's tucked away and hidden. So using the provided cable here, you can charge that. You can see that the indicator here is showing red, which means that it's charging. And once that turns green, it'll let you know that it's fully charged. So your windage and elevation settings are going to be right here at the top and on the right side, right by the laser here. And you can adjust that by using this tool. So it just goes right in here, twist left and right, or on the side, up and down, just depending on where you want to zero your laser. All right, let's go over some of the operations here of the tactical flashlight. So if you have the laser on and you hold it for 3 seconds, you're going to see that it has strobe mode. And then if you click the flashlight button 3 times, it's going to go to strobe. So you have those features as well included in this really good flashlight laser combo. Alright guys, let's go over the quick install. It's very easy to do. As I mentioned before, it is for a Picatinny rail. So if you happen to have it on the sides, top, bottom, whatnot, you can mount it wherever you'd like. So I'm going to use the provided tool here. It is a beefy tool. And it has beefy screws here. A lot thicker than the usual ones. So that's a good sign for overall wear and tear. It's going to last longer. Alright, so just get that loosened up. For me, I'm probably going to mount to the top. I've noticed that it does have a low profile on it, so it won't get in the way of the optic. So if you have it mounted like that, you're still going to be able to see through the optic. And it won't get in the way. So here, I have it in place where I want it. Going to tighten this up. Just like so. Get it snug. And then I can press the light switch and also the laser. And I could mount this on the side as well if I wanted to. Right here it looks pretty good. Have to reach back here. But you can make your adjustments and move it up and down however you'd like. Alright guys, so that was the EZshoot 1600 lumen rifle laser light combo. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one.